So this is our church bells song. This is the top part, or the first cello part. So this is all in fourth position. And I'm gonna do pizzicato just to clarify what we're doing with our left hand. So we start with all four on the A string in fourth position, but we're gonna pluck first open G, and make sure we get a really strong, not that G, a really strong resonant G, like a church bell. And then 4, 3, 1 on the A string, then 4 is on the D string, they all hop over. 4, 3, 1, open D, then tap all 4 on the A string, and then open G. 4, 3, 1, 4 is on the D string, 3, 1, open, and then the middle section, 4 is on, all 4 are on the D string already, open G, then 4, 1, same on the A string, 3 is on the D string, open G, 4 is on D, 4, 1, 4, 4 is on A, 4, 1, 3 is on D, 3, 1, oh, open G, so just like the beginning, 4, 3, 1, D string, 4, 3, 1, open D, open G, oh, now all 4 are on A, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, open D, open G. Okay, let's add the bow now. So the idea here is to get a really resonant sound, kind of like church bells ringing in a church tower. So, playing slowly.